We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. Stock number is CP14516T. This is the Chevrolet Avalanche in the black. Got the alloy wheels on it with the Goodyear Wrangler tires. Taking a look at the condition here on the hood, I do have a little bit of rust starting to form on the hood. A little bit on each side on that. Taking a look along the side. Passenger side condition is good. Got the running boards, the chrome running boards. Z71 package in the Avalanche. Is equipped with the trailer tow group on it. Looking here at the driver's side, it does have a couple little scratches and nicks in it. It is a 2005 Avalanche, so it is 10 years old. 4-door. Taking a look on the inside, does have the leather interior with the power driver's seat. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, tilt, cruise, and air. A little bit of wear on the seats as far as the leather goes, but no holes or anything in it at this point. Center console, information center on your steering wheel. Second row seating does have, of course, the leather seating. Step on the inside, it is equipped with the power sunroof, AM/FM radio with CD, automatic temperature controls, center console with the front bucket seats. Overall interior condition is good. Trade-in we just got in. And we'll take a look back here, see if we can see the storage area. Of course, this is the truck that the top there comes off and you can turn it into a pickup bed. And once again, we're here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. I've got a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. For more information on this truck or other trucks that we have here at the dealership, give us a call, 800-678-4188.